everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new here, and here's another DIY. And here's me laying on the floor, laying on my DIY. I've never done this before, and it looks like I had a facelift. Like, hello? Who needs plastic surgery when you can just lay on the floor? I'm just gonna make all my YouTube videos like this now, but yeah, as you can see, laying on my project. Yeah, this feels kind of relaxing. The only thing I'm having troubles with is if I drop this camera, that's gonna hurt. Like, you know when you drop your phone on your face, that kind of hurts? This is gonna hurt even worse because I'm holding all the things up, and that's why I'm kind of having my hand right here because I'm kind of scared. But anyway, this video is gonna be like super easy and super simple. Like, all you're gonna need is tape and a sponge and a rug. Like, you got this covered. I know you got it. You can do it. But anyway, hope you enjoy. I don't have anything else to say, so hope you enjoy.
Alrighty, let's start off with the inspiration picture that started off this whole project. I really wanted one of these rugs, but not for $123, even after it's 49% off. Like, are you kidding me? This rug is beautiful, but I'm going to try to save some money here. So I went to my local Walmart and I found a rug that was 3x4. For some reason, they don't have it on here, but I found mine for $18. What a steal. And then I found some yarn in the similar color from this brand. Not that color, but I couldn't find a picture of the actual yarn I used, so there's that picture. You get what I'm saying. Now, I have this crochet hook thingy. Crochet? Is that crochet hook? I don't know. That little hooky thingy right there. So you want a hooker there in there, and then you want to pull the yarn out, and we're just making loops. If you've ever made tassels before, it's very similar to that. And yeah, I'm just gonna call that my little hooker from now on because I think crochet hook is right, but I don't want to sound too foolish, so you know, my little hooker. After you make all the loops, go ahead and cut them, and then you're just gonna split this bunch in half and tie a knot because we don't want any of our yarn tassel-y thingies to fall out, because that would be ugly and tragic, and all this hard work would go to waste. And I gotta tell you, doing this side and then doing the other side literally took probably a total of 4 hours. So you gotta be dedicated. And I decided that I hated my hooker, and I found this big needle thing that is so busted it looks like it's about to break, but I use it and it works way better. Just looping it through, stabbing it through goes way faster than using my little hooker. And in the same fashion, go ahead and cut the bottoms, boop, and then tie a knot again. Then I ended up going back and braiding all of these, and I gotta say, I like the look of braiding it. Now you will need some puffy paint and some painter's tape, and go ahead and tape whatever design you want in there. I wanted a more minimalistic look, so that's what I went for. Then all you gotta do is simply dab on the haters. I don't know, dab on the paint and put it on generously because this is a rug, so you know you're gonna be stepping on it and stuff. Or maybe I'll put this somewhere where no one can step on it. I have a couple of rugs in my house like that, legit. Now I go ahead and peel this off as carefully as possible because I ran out of painter's tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip this and use it on the other side for later. Because yeah, now I'm just fluffing up my triangles and making them look all fluffy and pretty. After those have dried, I used the remainder of my painter's tape and I just created some stripes. And you know, like I said, you can get more detailed if you want, but I just wanted to do this, like minimal, not minimal, what is that? And at first I mixed the paint with water because it comes out kind of crusty, but you know, crusty butt. But anyway, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Make sure that the paint is deep in, and you want to brush it in each way, so you make sure that you get everything saturated and that the pattern really pops, because you know that's what we like. And this is a super simple project, and you're pretty much done with it at this point. And I just got to get that little guy. He's thinking he can just stay the way he is. I don't think so.
because I was just not ready to get up yet. I just want to lay on the ground because this rug is actually super kind of comfortable. I'm just gonna lay here. But did you enjoy that video? Was that super easy? I know you can do this project. I believe in you. What was your favorite part? How would you change it? Would you put some more details? Would you add different colors? Am I giving you some ideas? It's your project after all, but anyway, if you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, let me just ask you really quick if you can share this video with someone who you think would like it, because, you know, just trying to grow my little YouTube family, and I love each and every one of you because you're all special to me and you're making this happen. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I look so weird. I hope I didn't sound too weird. I feel like I sound weird. I don't know. And then I also feel like it is too close to my face and you're gonna see all like my pimples and stuff. So I'm like, my arms are only so long and it's like not even zoomed in, but hopefully I look okay. Hopefully like not too pimply or anything. I don't think I have any zits lately, but you know, I think I had one like right here or something. So let me just, why am I telling you? Don't look. Don't look. Like, don't look. That's rude. Even though I just told you.